Nice looking black coupe. Now, 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. Title reads 78. VIN deciphers as a 78. Yes, I know. That is a later front end. So obviously somebody put like a 79 front end on a 78. May I like the looks better, what have you. We represent it, how the title reads, and how the VIN number is. So 1978 400 Pontiac V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400, power steering, power brakes. Speaking of that front face, I'll let you go ahead and take a close look at it. Not really full of nicks, dings, rock chips, scratches, anything like that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior of this, undersides, trunk, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Has had a repaint to black. Interior redone in black vinyl. I believe those would be considered the snowflake wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. Of course, with the black and the gold kind of going after the look of the Smokey the Bandit car. There's your black vinyl buckets, power windows, center console, shifter down there on the floor. Aftermarket stereo that does work. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior, start it up, let you hear it run, look at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a nice reflection coming off that paint. So it's one that does show well. Hey, it's black. It's been driven. Is it perfect? No, but overall, definitely shows very well. Take a look at all the still pictures. Again, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. And again, you can see the shine coming off that reflection all the way to the front door, up to the front. And again, in those still pictures, there'll be undersides, engine bay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. I threw the floor mat back in it since I'd be getting in and out of it. It does have pictures in with the still pictures underneath that floor mat with it out, FYI, so you can see the carpeting condition, and it is fine. Go ahead and take a look at the seats. The vinyl doesn't really show much wear, rips, tears. Like I said, it has been black vinyl redone. And before you make comments on the dash, underneath that dash pad being all cracked, take a look at the still pictures. I took pictures for you with that dash pad off there. No, it is not full of cracks. All right, fire up that Pontiac 400. Again, wipers do work, stereo works. Notice the tach was in op, but hey, clock works. That was a cold start, so we don't have any reading at the temp gauge. And as you can see, oil pressure is up. Come over here, fuel gauge and volts also appear to be working. Turn up that radio for you just a tad so you can find a station here. So, stereo fine working order. And again, check out the still pictures to get a look at that dash. Well, headliner. Get a look at that. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. It's definitely presentable also. Slip around to the back of this. A nice throaty little rumble to it. Nothing over the top or crazy, but nice sounding car. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up. Of course, the hood release for this straight underneath right there, center of the driver's, or license plate, should say. Right in the center. So hold on, let's pop that hood, check out the engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, as you can see, the shaker style hood. Pontiac 400 power steering, power brakes. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. This is going to be your turbo hydromatic 400. Looks like it has a new radiator. Got a little cam to it. There you go. Looking for a car to get in. Got that bandit look to it. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.